How to post on Instagram without it showing on feed. First, open up the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you want to select a photo or video from your gallery that you want to post. Now if you want to edit this, you can use different options such as filter. You can also add audio. If you want, you can add some text. Once everything is done, tap on the next option. Here you can add a caption. You can also tag people. Now, if you want your Instagram posts to not show on your feed, tap on the audience option. Now select close friends option. And now if you've added any people over here, simply uncheck that, then tap on done. Once you've set it to close friends, head back. Now tap on share. Now your post will no longer appear on the feed, but if you go to your profile, it will be visible over here. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.